Why does this Huso clip doesn't hold? Okay, let's check the weight of the crash bars. The OEM crash bar is 8 kilograms, 8.0 kilograms. And the new rear bash bar included the end plates, also 8 kilograms. So they weigh the same. So what I'm doing now is protect the threads from rust with some mic sanders grease. Okay, let's check how the bash bar will fit. Alright, it fits pretty perfect. The whole pattern looks great. Check this side. And now on the other side. So no modifications needed in case of the holes, fits perfect. My end plates looks good as well. As I told you before, I use these end plates to attach some holders here, some custom made holders to stabilize the Nismo rear bumper. So the holder is gonna be attached to the bash bar, and the holder it's going down to the Nismo rear, so I can mount the bumper to the holder, and then it should be pretty sturdy. Cause now my rear is flapping like a twerking bitch. What I don't like on this bash bar is that it only uses 4 mounting points instead of the original 6 mounting points. So it would be nice if the blade goes something like that and use this thread, especially because you check up the car with the bash bar. But we will see how it acts when I check up the car. Okay, before I finally attach the bash bar and torque it down, I give it just a little bit of preload with the check. Yeah. So I can make sure that it's in the right position when I lift the car and it don't get any weird forces. It's pretty hard for me to explain it in English, so please be a little bit cautious. I try to improve my English skills. Alright, bash bar is torqued down, so first try to check it up. Let's put back on the bumper. Assembly is much easier now because I can put the bumper on the bash bar, let it rest like that, can plug in my wires and everything. So pretty nice. The bash bar fits perfectly in this region here. So fitment, absolutely nice. Way easier. It's nice. I need to snap in. Snap in this latch. Okay, first you have to slide in this latch on the inner side, so you can push it in this direction. Same on the other side. Then put in the fender liner so it doesn't block the bumper from sliding in. And then just clip it in. Does this Fuso clip doesn't hold? It's pretty perfect. The only point where it's touching a little bit is here on the vent. You see that? Here's my end plate where I can attach the holder and go to the Nismo rear. It's almost a straight line.